BluArmor activated.
Hey riders, in this video we will show you how to reboot your C10, perform a pairing reset and do a factory reset. First, let's see how to reboot the device. To reboot your C10, press all three buttons on the unit at the same time and then release them immediately. The LED will blink and the device will reboot normally. Next, let's do a pairing reset. A pairing reset clears the Bluetooth pairing history stored on the C10. To do this, press and hold the middle button and the left button together for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the C10 will produce a beep sound and disconnect from any devices it is currently connected to, and erase all the pairing history on the device. Now, let's see how to perform a factory reset on the C10. A factory reset restores the device to its original factory settings. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the top and bottom buttons, that's the volume down and volume up buttons, together for 10 seconds. As soon as you start holding the buttons, a white LED will turn on. After 10 seconds, the device will produce a beep sound and the white LED will blink once. The C10 will then reboot and automatically enter primary pairing mode. And that's it. Now you know how to reboot your C10, clear pairing history, and perform a factory reset whenever needed.